Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to continue the discussion of 2.6, which is the challenge page, starting from question 13. Okay, so they're saying to you here that Aaron knows this relationship between temperatures in degrees Fahrenheit and temperatures in degrees Celsius. So they're telling you that here is the formula. He knows that F equals 1.8 C plus 32. And they're telling you that F is the temperature in degrees Fahrenheit and C is the temperature in degrees Celsius. Read what Aaron says. I think a temperature of 20 degrees Celsius. So he's saying if C is 20 degrees, if C I don't know if this is going to be confusing writing if very close to it. So here, if C equals 20 degrees Celsius, it's going to be higher than 65 Fahrenheit. So he's saying that it is higher than 65 F. So they want you to show if Aaron is correct, show how you worked out your answer. So it's just simply, I'm going to see if C is 20. Is it really going to be higher than 65 degrees Fahrenheit? The F will be 65, more than 50, 65 or not. So let's do it. F equals 1.8 times 20 plus 32, which is F equals 18 times 20. You're going to find that it's 360, but I have one digit after the decimal point, so 36 plus 32. So F equals 68 degrees. So yes, mister, it is going to be higher than 65. How did I do it? I just substituted the C. He told me if C is 20, is it going to be higher than 65? So I just replaced C with 20, and I saw the F is going to be higher than 65 or not. All right. The next question here says to you, one second, I'm sorry. Here we go. All right. The next question says to you, here are two formulae that are used in science. F equals ma, F equals ma, and the other one, A equals V minus U over T. They're telling you work out the value of F. They want you to work out F. When V is 32, they're telling you that V is 32, U is 12, T is 5, M is 30. And they want you to work out the value of F. Okay, mister, the value of F is M times A. Okay, yes, that's right. I have the M, which is 30. Excellent. But I don't have the A. Okay, this is the problem. How can we overcome this challenge? Well, to find A, they gave you another formula telling you that A equals V, I have the V, minus U, I have the U, over T, I have the T. So I can find A. That's the first step that I need to do. I need to find A. So A equals V, which is 32, minus 12, the U, over T, the 5. So A equals 20 over 5, which is, this is a 5, not an S, over 5, which is 4. Now I need to find F. F equals M, which is 30, times A, which is 4. So F equals 120 degrees. All right, next. Let's see here. Question 15. The formula for the area of a semicircle is A equals pi r squared. Half pi r squared. Make r the subject of the formula. That's the first thing. Let's go down here a little bit. All right, they're telling you that the area of a circle is half pi r squared. That's the area of a semicircle, okay? But they're telling you here, make r the subject of the formula. Mister, to make r the subject of the formula, I need it to be on the left side. We agree. The first thing we're going to do is to swap. So half pi r squared equals a. Now, what is the last thing that happened to r squared? Mister, the r got squared, then it got multiplied by pi, then it got multiplied by half. Well, I need to get rid of the half. So getting rid of the half means here divided by 2. So I'm going to send it there times 2. So pi r squared equals 2a. Now I need to get rid of that pi. It is multiplied by r squared, so I'm going to send it there, divided by. So r squared equals 2a over pi. Okay, Mister, but they need r to be the subject of the formula, not r squared. No problem. It's a square. I need to send it there, square root. So r equals 2a over pi, but everything is square rooted. Now I made r the subject of the formula. They're telling you here, where's the question? Work out the radius, which is r, of a semicircle with an area 36.2. So they're telling you that the area is 36.2. Write your answer correct to two significant figures. No problem at all. So they're telling you that A is 36.2. So I'm going to say R equals the root of 2 times 36.2 over pi, which is actually the root of 72.4 over pi. Let's go down a little bit. Now, Mister, how can I do it? Using the calculator. In such a question, if it comes to you, it will definitely come in paper too. So square root of everything under the root. I have a fraction under the root. So it is 72.4 over pi equals 4.800. Well, Mister, they want two significant figures. So the first non-zero figure is 4. After that, I got an 8. That's the second significant figure. So 4.8. After it is a weak digit, so it remains 4.8. So R is 4.8 centimeters. Next question. Just a second, let me put the calculator away. Next question is question 16. It says to you the diagram shows a shape made from a square and a triangle. And they're telling you here that the base of the triangle is B, the height is H, and the side of the square is A. They want you to write a formula for the area A of the whole shape. So how can we do this? Mister, I know the area of the triangle, A triangle, is half BH or BH over 2. Half BH or BH over 2, both of them are the same. And I know that the area of the square is actually S squared, side squared. Good. So let's now write a formula for the area A of the whole shape. So A equals area of triangle B times H over 2 as it is. The base is B, the height is H over 2. So it is B H over 2. That's the area of the triangle. Add to it the area of the square. The side here, they're telling you that the side is not S, the side is A. So I'm going to say plus the area of the square, which is a squared. Now I got the area of the triangle plus the area of the square. This will give me the total area of the whole shape. Good. Question B, they're telling you work out A, this one. Focus, there is a difference between the capital A and the lowercase a. The capital A is the area of the whole compound shape. The small a is the length of the side of the square. All right, so they want you to work A when A is 7, B is 6, H is 4. So B is 6, H is 4. So 6 times 4 over 2 plus, they said A is 7, 7 squared. So A equals 6 times 4 is 24. 24 divided by 2 is going to be 12 plus 7 squared is 49, which is going to give you exactly 61 centimeters squared. Now they want you to make A the subject of the formula. So I'm going to take this one, the whole thing, and I make A the subject of the formula. No problem. Let's go down, draw a line for the new question. It is C. A equals BH over 2 plus A squared. They want A to be the subject of the formula. So to do this, we need to swap, get A on the left side. So I'm going to do it BH over 2 plus A squared equals A. And now I need to get rid of what? I got here A, what happened to it last? The A got added, got squared, and then added to BH over 2. So I'm going to send BH over 2 over there, subtraction, because it's positive. I'm going to send it there, negative. So A squared equals A minus BH over 2. So A equals the square, send it there, square root. So square root of A minus BH over 2. Now I made A the subject of the formula. Question D, they want you to work out A. When A, the capital A, is 174, B is 10, H is 6. No problem. Let's do it. They told you here, that's question D, A equals square root of, they said A is 174 minus BH, which is 10 times 6, 60, over 2, which let's say it is 30. So BH, we agree, B times H, 10 times 6, 60, divided by 2 is going to be 30. So I'm going to write here just 30 right away. So A equals what? You're going to find square root of 144, which is A equals 12. It is positive or negative 12. But mister, this is length, the length of a side. There is no such a thing as a length of a side that is negative. So it is positive 12. Now with the last question, question 17. All right, question 17 says to you, Raya has these two cubes. The cube, the side length of the smaller cube is x. So they're telling you that this is x. The side length of the larger cube is twice the side length of the smaller cube. So the larger cube is 2x, the side. Now, write an expression for the side length of the larger cube. We did this. It is 2x. The side length of the larger cube is 2x. Write a formula for the total volume of the cubes in terms of x, both cubes. So they wanted the volume, V equals. We agreed it's side by side by side. The volume of any cube is side cubed. So the volume of cube, so that's the volume of cubes. Volume V cube is side cubed. It's side by side by side. The side here is x. So it is x cubed. And the side over here is 2x. So plus 2x, don't say cubed. No, it is 2x in all cubed. So v equals x cubed plus 2 cubed is 8, x cubed is x cubed. So, mister, v equals 1x cubed plus 8x cubed is 9x cubed. This is the total volume of both cubes. What did you do, mister? I just got the volume of the smaller cube. It is x cubed, side cubed, which is x cubed. I got the volume of that bigger cube, which is 2x cubed, which is 8x cubed. And I added both of them up, x cubed plus 8x cubed, which is adding the volume of the small cube to the volume of the large cube, which gives us v equals 9 cubed. Now I found a formula, v equals 9x cubed. I found a formula for the total volume. Make x the subject of the formula. No problem. Let's make x the subject. So I'm going to swap 9x cubed equals v. I need to get rid of the 9. It's multiplication, send it their division. So x cubed equals v over 9. I need to get rid of the cube. So send it there cube root. So x equals v over 9 cubic root. Now I made x the subject of the formula. That's question C. C. The last question. The total volume of the two cubes is 567. The total volume of the two cubes is 567. Show that the surface area of the larger cube is 384 centimeters squared. Okay, so let me tell you something. A surface area, first we need to remember what the surface area is. This is a lesson that you took last year and that we're going to take again this year in Unit 13, I guess. Yes, Unit 13, I guess, or 14. So what is going to happen here to find the surface area? I need to find the area of one side and then you multiply it by 6 sides. This is the surface area of a cube. So I'm going to get the area of one side, which is s squared, side by side, which is a square, the area of a square, and then multiply by 6 faces. Okay, but mister, I don't know the length of this side in order to find the area of this face. So how can I find the length of this side? No problem at all. We need to find x, you mean? Well, to find x, we made it the subject of the formula cubic root of v over 9. So if I want, they told you the volume is 576. So x equals cubic root of 576 over 9, which is cubic root of this. Doing the division over here is going to give you exactly, well, 6. And then you're going to have 3 left, 64. So x is what? 4. I did 576 divided by 9. I found that it's 64. So the cubic root of 64 is 4 exactly. Good. Now I know that the side of the large cube, which is 2x, means 2 times 4. So side of large cube, which is 2x, means 2 times x, means 2 times 4, is 8 centimeters. Now, after I found the length of the side, I can get the area of one face and multiply by 6 faces to find the surface area. So, surface area, as we agreed, it is the area of one face. We agreed to x, the side of the large cube is 8 centimeters. We agreed. This side is actually 8 centimeters. So it is the area of one face, which is 8 squared times 6 faces, right? So surface area equals 8 squared is 64 times 6 faces, which is equal to, you're going to find exactly 384 centimeters squared. This is the surface area of the large cube. That's it. Thank you so much and see you in another video.